After 40, your metabolism doesn't slow down, it crashes. Your body is changing faster than you realize. After 40, something shifts inside your cells. You've noticed it. The weight creeps on, energy disappears. What worked before stops working. Most people blame age, but age isn't the real problem. The real problem is your mitochondria. These tiny power plants inside every cell control your metabolism. They decide whether you burn calories or store them as fat. When you're young, mitochondria work perfectly. Metabolism runs hot, weight stays stable. But after 30, mitochondrial function drops about 10% every decade. By 40, you've already lost significant capacity. By 50, nearly half. This is why your metabolism crashes, not because of age, because of cellular decline. Here's what makes it worse. Stress damages mitochondria. Poor sleep damages mitochondria. Processed food damages mitochondria. Environmental toxins damage mitochondria. Modern life accelerates the breakdown. You can diet harder, exercise more, but if your mitochondria can't produce energy, your body can't burn fat. It holds on to every calorie. This is why nothing works anymore. Before I tell you about the solution, I need to be upfront with you. The link in the description is an affiliate link. This means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to check it out. I only recommend products supported by real scientific research. A company called Mitolyn developed a formula with 6 natural compounds that support mitochondrial health. Maqui Berry, one of nature's most powerful antioxidants, protects mitochondria from oxidative damage. Rhodiola, an adaptogenic herb that helps cells produce energy under stress. Haematococcus contains astaxanthin, which shields mitochondrial DNA. Amla supports cellular energy and reduces inflammation. Cacao contains flavonoids that help your body create new healthy mitochondria. Schisandra enhances cellular energy and vitality. These aren't stimulants or metabolism boosters. They support your cells at the foundation level. When mitochondria function properly again, metabolism recovers, energy returns, weight becomes manageable. Mitolyn offers a 90-day money-back guarantee. 3 full months to experience the difference cellular support makes. Link in the description to learn more. This is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. If this helped you understand why your metabolism changed, hit subscribe for more science-based health content.